Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC. So we're just going to talk a little bit about what's been going on with the stock, and we're going to break down the charts and kind of give you some insight on where I think this thing might be going. Just to reiterate, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. And also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know whenever we release new content. So a couple of articles coming out. It says AMC shares set for record open as meme stock surges. And we're going to go to this one here and look at meme stock, guys, being the key phrase here in the article. Okay, so we're going to click on this article. It says meme stock AMC extends rally, jumps more than 20% as theater chain sells new shares to an investor. Shares of AMC Entertainment surged again Tuesday after the theater chain sold more than 8 million shares to an investment firm, the latest in a series of capital raises by the struggling company turned meme stock. AMC said in a securities filing that it raised $230.5 million through a stock sale to Mudrick Capital Management. The theater company said it would use the funds for potential acquisitions, upgrading its theaters and developing its balance sheet. Shares were up 22.6% when the market closed. On Tuesday afternoon, Bloomberg News reported that Mudrick had sold all of its new shares in AMC. Stock fell from its high of the day following the report. AMC's business was effectively halted during the pandemic, with movie theaters shut in most of the country for months and major studios delaying releases during the pandemic. However, the stock became a favorite of traders on Reddit and has seen wild swings in recent months. The shares doubled last week on incredibly high volume as the speculative activity by retail traders driven by message board chats ramped back up once again. The company has taken advantage of these price surges by selling additional shares to raise cash. The stock is up more than 1,000% year to date. So, wild, man. Really, really wild. Last week I noticed it was kind of getting some traction on I was just kind of checking it out on the charts just kind of randomly, and I noticed it was starting to move a little bit. And man, look at this. You could have bought it at about 13 bucks. And I mean, that's an easy double up right there on your money. And actually a triple now because it actually hit, in like in the 40s, I believe, 42 or so. But we're going to look at the charts, guys, and I'm going to show you why I'm not buying into AMC, especially not now's the time to, if you're in, maybe to consider taking some profits off the table. And could we run a little bit higher? Of course we could, but I just want to show you why I think that we're going to have a pullback, and when we pull back, I think it's going to be a significant move to the downside before it pops back up, if it actually is going to do that. Alright, guys, so we're looking at AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC, and this here, guys, this is our Fibonacci retracement levels, our support and resistance lines. And man, this thing, it busted straight through that resistance of 39.41. Okay, so we're gonna have to redraw this actually to get a more accurate reading on it. So we'll go over here and click on 191, drag it to 44.52. Okay, so a couple of things here, guys. We're really, really overvalued currently, okay? And if you look at basically our move here, okay, it looks like we almost just went just completely straight up, right? And anytime that you do that, anytime that you just have a solid, just straight up move to the upside, what's going to happen? What goes up has to come down eventually, okay? And even over here, you look at this move straight up, okay, and goes from like $1 or $2 all the way to $25 or $26, and it fell straight back down, okay? I'm not saying it's going to fall straight back down to $15 today, but I do see us having some type of pullback fairly soon. Now, can this thing run a little bit higher before it does? Oh, absolutely it can. It can pull back just slightly, maybe like $2 or $3, and just shoot up and maybe go to 50, $60. Because I can tell you what, it's hit a high of 44.60 a couple of minutes before shooting the video. It was only at about $42. All right, so I just wanted to kind of show that to you guys. If you're in this stock, man, I would set maybe a trailing stop loss and ride that wave up as high as you can. If you're not in this stock, in my opinion, I don't think it's time to get in, because I don't want anybody to get burnt. I'm not buying in now. Right here would have been the time to buy in, guys, whenever it was about 15, 16 bucks. And then right now would really be the time to take profits on that. But if you're going to get in, you need to wait on some type of pullback, okay? Even if it just falls back down to like the $30 or $34 mark, and it just kind of hovers around there, then you could potentially consider doing that. But overall, guys, I'm not buying this stock now, because again, I'm not going to give in to to FOMO here. I'm not going to freak out and think, oh my god, I'm going to miss out on it. I already missed out on it as far as I'm concerned. So here's where I should have bought, around this level. So anyway, just kind of be cautious out there, guys. Again, if you're in it, maybe set a trailing stop loss. If you're not in it, then I would highly recommend that you don't buy just yet. You need to wait for some type of pullback. As you see, it's still moving. It's up, 15 cents within the last couple of seconds to 44.75. So it's moving pretty aggressive still. But I think that it's going to see some type of pullback in the coming days. And whenever it does decide to pull back, it's going to be a pretty aggressive one. Alright guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.